Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to copy elements from one canvas to another in Canva. This is a great way to reuse designs and keep our work consistent across different projects. Let's get started. Here is our existing project, and here is our new Canva project. To copy everything from the existing project, we just need to press Ctrl-A to select all the elements. Once everything is selected, we press Ctrl-C to copy. Now we go to our new Canva project. Here, we press Ctrl-V, or we can right-click and choose Paste. As we can see, all the elements have been pasted into our new project. That's how we copy elements from one canvas to another in Canva. With this simple method, we can save time and easily reuse our designs.